Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Gaurav. I'm an artist and instructor, and today we are going to talk about drawing tools. As an aspiring artist, you may be concerned about what tools you must use, hoping that certain tools will help you to improve faster. Is the choice of drawing tools and materials really that important? Let's try to find out. Drawing can be produced by using the following: a drawing surface, which can be a paper, a traditional canvas, a wall, a wood panel, a piece of cloth, a digital canvas inside a software, etc. A mark making tool, which can be a pencil, charcoal, pen, markers, ink, brush, color sticks, etc. And drawing skills, which comes with training and practice. Now, there is a wide range of these tools and materials with different pricing, quality, and application. Which one to choose really depends on which phase of learning you are in and what is your intention behind the drawing. Of course, how much you can spend and how much you want to spend is also an important factor. Having said that, the choice of tools and materials has more to do with experimentation and versatility, and very less to do with your ability to draw well. So essentially, if you are a beginner, you can start with just about any simple pencil and paper. If you go about looking for options at this stage, there are chances that you may never start drawing. Most of your time at this stage should be spent in drawing different kinds of lines, shapes, and forms, using any available pencil and paper. When you reach the intermediate stage, you start drawing specific objects and scenes with some light and shade. You can add tools like graded pencils, charcoal sticks, markers, different kind of blending stumps and erasers, etc. These will help you in creating shadows and highlights. This is only when you understand their purpose and you're ready to use them. I won't recommend any specific brand here. It is best to explore multiple brands and materials and find your favorite combinations. When you have spent much time creating lots of drawings, that is, you are an experienced artist, you can and should switch to different tools to break the monotony. You must experiment with tools, subjects, and styles to add freshness to your work. The earliest drawings from ancient times were made on cave walls with coal, and today we are able to draw in virtual reality using the new age technology. There have been numerous tools and methods in between, and there will be more in future. You can always adapt to new tools if you have the appropriate skill. So don't worry so much and just draw and have a good time. I'll see you in the next one. Make sure you subscribe the channel, hit the like button, and ring that bell so that you don't miss any future notifications.